Hello everybody. In this video I just want to do a quick trade review, kind of go about all the trades I did in the last days. So yeah, as you can see, we now have a little net P&L of 51 bucks. So we ended up being slightly profitable, although yeah, this really isn't where we want to end up eventually, but yeah, this is status quo right now where we are. So I basically took 3 trades. 2 of them I already covered in the previous videos, which you can watch on my channel. The first one was long Pengu, short Magic Eden. This ended up being kind of break-even position. Yeah, it's or I guess you could also call it a round trip, but whatever, we got out on break-even. This decent trade here wasn't a real trade. I just tested out one-click trading feature, and then in the last video we covered the ETH long. This unfortunately was a big L, you could say. Basically, you know, I saw the Coinbase Premium emerging as we covered in the last video, and I ended up longing Ethereum, but yeah, the next day, you know, the Premium disappeared, and there really wasn't great ETF flows. Only for one day. So yeah, this really kind of invalidated our thesis. Luckily I didn't size it too big, but yeah, we took a L on the ETH trade, that's for sure. And then lastly, the trade that worked out, this really saved my ass, was the long SPY, or like, you know, SPX 6900. It's a meme token. I longed it, and against it I shorted Giga and Mock. Yeah, I just really believed that it was a good spot to long SPY, and I believe that SPY is right now a much stronger meme coin than Mock and Giga. Like, I think Mock and Giga are starting to be like quite arbitrary, like really boring. They only go up when market goes up. SPY has a much better bit going on, you know, from people that actually believe in it. Like long term, I don't know what the fuck happens, but yeah, basically, kind of to show it to you here, I longed SPY, and I think I got in somewhere here. You know, somewhere here I got in, and I kept increasing my size on the way down. You know, always, like, for example, when Giga pumped, I put in more shorts, and when SPY had a dip, I bought a dip, and yeah, really tried to slowly increase the size on this trade. Yeah, and get it big enough to kind of save my ass, and it actually worked out great. Like SPY 6900, I actually got entries, that good of entries that I actually was in profit. Like no, as you can see here, like I actually ended up closing the SPY position in profit, the long. And what really printed were the shorts on Giga and Mock. So yeah, the pair trade really worked out, and this is what ended up saving me, because yeah, the ETH trade really was a L for me. Luckily I didn't size it, you know, I didn't size it a lot. I actually sized it exactly how I laid out in the last video. So yeah, I mostly stuck to the plan, I would say. And yeah, now we are, I think we're in a good position. to go ahead and find some new trades. You know, Bitcoin is lower, our account is higher, so yeah, this is a great position for us. We really were able to defend our capital, and yeah, we're in a good spot to catch the next rotation, I think, wherever that will be. And yeah, maybe then we will hit a real banger. You know, so far we have basically only been preserving capital. I mean, it's still nice to see a little bit of green, but yeah, this really doesn't move the needle a lot. It's like fucking 1 basis points or whatever. But yeah, and I also kind of maybe want to show you like what I was thinking. So I took a screenshot here. BTC had been going down, like I think at the top it was like 102k, but it's started, you know, breaking below 100, and I noticed, you know, yeah, this thing is really weak, and so I came up with the plan, and I put on the long SPY, short Giga and Mock trade, and came up with the plan to, you know, bid BTC for a scalp long, which would have been at higher size, you know. But the thing is, I really didn't get a good entry. Like what I would have wanted to see were like really a lot of liquidation. I didn't really see this. I only saw like a slow grind down, and I even saw shorts getting liquidated. So yeah, this really made me less confident that this is a great spot to bid. So I didn't, and I only kept increasing the long SPY, short Giga and Mock trade, and I did bid a little bit of ETH here and there, but yeah, so that was kind of my thought process during the dip. Yeah, so good for us that the SPY trade worked out. All right, I think that's it.